Okay dear, let me introduce our latest portable type Diode Laser hand blower machine. And this one is the portable type and with the black case. And it is the Angel system. And I will show you how to use it. Okay, this one is the handle. We can see here. And the triple waveframe 755 and 810 1064 nanometers. This is the triple waveframe, suitable for all kinds of skin color and skin hair. And the advantage of this machine is the touch screen. It has a touch screen handle, so we can control the parameters from the handle. Okay, and this is the emergency button, the key switch, and turn on. Okay, this one is the interface, and we can click start to start the treatment. Okay, this one is the treatment interface, and here is the skin color. We can choose the silver one is okay, and this is the treatment area. We need to choose the suitable treatment area. This is the front, and this is the back, and this is face. So we can choose the suitable one. For example, we choose the left. Okay, here, enter it. We can see here. This is the language. Here are different language we can select. And this is the information of the machine. So this machine is 1000 watts. And this is the total count we use. Okay, here, normally we just need to change the energy is okay. We can see when we change the energy, the treatment time will be changed. We can see the maximum. The maximum will be 50. So we can start from the lower energy first. For example, we start from 20, and the treatment time is like this. And here we also can see a sign. It shows we choose the arms area. And the fluency, we also don't need to change it. And this is the gray size. Okay, when we can remember that the gray size now is 300, and then if we use different size, so will be 400. So normally we don't need to change it, and here is same, always same. So we need to just change the energy. Okay, it will be changed at the same time. And the treatment time also will change. Okay, then we can see here is the cooling system. This is max. So we can use max and standby. Okay, this is the handle. It was a big sport size. It's for the whole body treatment for the. And before the treatment, we need to use the cooling gel on the skin. It's the cooling gel and put on the skin. Okay, it's very cold now. You can see it's freezing. So this treatment will be painless. It's very cold. Click this button. This is the touch screen handle, and when we click do the treatment, it will keep the same as the screen. So we can adjust the parameters from this handle. Okay, here we can see the energy is 26, and here is also same 26. And also can see the information of the machine. The water level and the temperature will keep the same. And the fluency, we can increase or decrease. energy and very size. Okay, very convenient to adjust the parameters. Okay, and click here to start the cheat. Close to the skin. Okay, we can see the treatment time. Okay, the treatment time we can see it's less than before. And when we do the treatment, the times will pass. You can see the screen. And as the treatment time passes, the energy will be less. And after the treatment, we need to use the tissue to clean the handle. We can see here with the cooling gel. So we need to use the tissue to clean it. Okay, this one is the hair removal function SHR. So we can see here this one. And you can say. So normally we just need to use the SHR function, it's okay. Because their function is all for the hair removal. Okay, this one is the Diode Laser hair removal machine.